Ready to make your crypto work for you? What if I told you there are ways to earn crypto without even buying or trading? Today, we're diving into the world of Coinbase rewards, uncovering the easiest and most effective strategies to grow your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these methods can add real value to your holdings. Let's start with the one most people know, Coinbase Earn. This is one of the simplest ways to get free crypto. All you do is watch short, educational videos about a specific cryptocurrency and then answer a few quick quiz questions. Get it right, and you're rewarded with a small amount of that crypto. The rewards aren't huge, but it's a great way to build up a diverse collection of tokens while learning about new projects. New campaigns pop up all the time, so it's worth checking back regularly. Next up, we have staking. If you plan on holding certain cryptocurrencies for the long term, why not put them to work? Staking is a way of locking up your crypto to support the network's operations. In return, you earn rewards, often paid out in that same crypto. Coinbase makes this incredibly easy. You don't need any technical know-how. You just opt in for staking on eligible assets like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano, and Coinbase handles all the complex parts for you, automatically distributing the rewards to your account. But there's more. If you're looking for a low-risk option, consider holding USDC, which is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Many traditional savings accounts offer a tiny percentage in interest, but Coinbase offers a much higher reward rate on USDC just for holding it in your account. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income on your holdings while avoiding the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. Finally, for those who want to earn crypto with every purchase, there's the Coinbase card. This is a Visa debit card that allows you to spend your crypto or US dollars anywhere Visa is accepted. The real benefit here is the crypto rewards. You get a percentage of every purchase back in the cryptocurrency of your choice. It's a simple, everyday way to accumulate crypto without even thinking about it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.